Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to open my Doorables Disney's Hercules collector pack. Currently this is on sale. I bought it on sale from Amazon for $8.20, I believe. So I think when these things come out brand new, they are $20. What I am trying to do is I'm trying to just wait and get things on sale. So I'm not really showing you the latest and greatest, but I am showing you what you can get out there. Now, part of me didn't even want to open this box, but then the collector in me wants to see, feel, and touch and hold everything. So it always comes with this collector sheet, and I'll tell you what it has. Sometimes these special collections come with a bonus figure or the potential to have a bonus figure. This one does not. This one comes with, oh my gosh, I'm going to rip up these names. I don't even know how to say her name. Calliope, Cleo, Thalia, Hercules, I don't even know, Zeus, Nessus, and Hera. So those other ones, I do not know. Part of me wanted to like not even open this, and then the other part of me, I want to look at it and see it and hold it and put it in my little containers where I keep my Doorables at the present. Pull all of these out, and then we'll open them up and show you what they look like. Now, I'm trying to remember, I think my friend Monica, you guys heard me mention her before. I think she is the one that told me about Doorables. Now, I believe at the time, her and I were collecting, oh gosh, those Disney princess cartoons. And then all of a sudden, it's kind of like the Disney princess cartoons went on the wayside, and either she found some Doorables. I don't even remember how the story goes, but the rest is history. Her and I collect Doorables now, and she always looks to see what's on sale, where is it on sale. And she would advise me, and we both decided somewhere down the line, or I think she did, and then I copied her, that we try not to buy them for full price. We just wait till they come on sale. And if you get a whole collection, you get a whole collection. And if not, well, you just keep trying. Okay, so the first one in bag 4 is, oh, the one I didn't know how to say her name. Help a many, I don't know. It's really pretty. Look at how cute this is. Look at how cute that is. Look at how they did her hair. Doorables, you need to do Moana's hair better than you do. This is good hair. Okay. Next bag I'm going to open is bag number 2. And I believe this is Calliope. Oh, I keep putting it to the wrong side. This is Calliope. And then we've got bag number 3. Cleo. I think this is Cleo. These are so cute. Guys, I did watch the movie Hercules years and years and years ago. So I know these gals. I don't know what they're called, the goddesses or something. I know they're pretty popular sidekicks. And these are really cute Doorables, but I would actually have to go back and watch the movie because my recollection is really not there. It's really bad. I didn't even realize they had this many. Oh, here's the bad guy. Boy, he looks to me, kind of looks like the genie, doesn't he? From Aladdin. And that's Zeus. I think Zeus is another form of, what is his name? Nimrod. Here is Hercules. Oh, this is nice. Gosh, that is a nice Hercules. And then the last but not least has to be Hera. There you go. And guys, They really did a good job on these Doorables. I am very glad that I did take them out of the bag. Let me know what you guys think of my Doorables. Put it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.